Hello guys, this is Skyfillabs and today I'm going to explain design of concrete building type software. This is a 23-story building. The head of the building, columns, windows. Okay, let's start with the software. File,
Now that you are well versed with the draw icons, most of the draw functions are selected from the shortcuts in this video. After selecting the Quick Draw Column option, change the column property to the Column Auto Select List property. Choose Similar Stories, and select the shells. Then go to the Assign menu, choose Shell Loads, and click on New. On Uniform. Change the live load value to 4.5 and click on Apply. A live load of 4.5 kN per meter square has been applied to the slabs of stories 9 to 14. Click on OK to exit. Similarly, go to any of the stories. This section will also be -0.25. So select the visible shells, and apply the wind pressure coefficient of -0.25, in a similar manner. The wind loads on sides A and B, as per the IS code, has been applied. Now you will apply the wind loads. You can verify the wind loads and directions in the other sets of similar stories as well. In the next part, you will learn to run analysis and design on this build. Wait for some time for the analysis to complete. You can check the progress of the analysis from the bottom bar. Once the analysis is complete, you can check for the displacement values.
check displacement.
The other analysis results, like the forces and stresses, can be viewed by selecting the suitable options from the display menu, as shown in the earlier videos. After analysis, you will run design on the building. In the design menu, select Concrete Frame Design, and click on Start Design/Check. Wait for some time as the software runs design on the building. Selecting the failed members, defining a new section, and assigning the new section each time. Thus the design of the building is complete. You can zoom into the 3D model and check reinforcement values in each member. Right-click on any member to check the design information and to see which section it is. Go to the Detailing menu and click on Run Detailing. Assigning the new set on the next higher section, Design Check. After the completion. Longitudinal reinforcement. You can check by going to Design, Concrete Frame Design, and selecting Verify All Members Passed. A notification will appear that all concrete frames pass the design check. If any notification appears saying that some elements are still failing, you will repeat the process of reiteration, so that the sections are changed to the next higher section, and so on. When the building is complete, go to all the detailing diagrams are generated, which you can see from the left pane, as illustrated in the previous video.
Thanks for watching the video. Thank you and bye.